Welcome to our T4 Kart build video number 2. In this video, we will show you how to install the rear bumper. The first step is to insert the bumper fixing kit inside the tubular chassis at the rear of the cart. Adjust the self-locking nut tight against the rubber end to ensure it will not come loose when installed. Push the rubber section of the fixing kit into the chassis as shown. Using a rubber mallet, tap the fixing kit all the way into the chassis until the end cap is in position. Repeat the same process on the left side to ensure both fixing kits are fully installed. Using a 17mm spanner, fully tighten the nut located against the end cap. This compresses the internal rubber which holds the fixing kit in place. Repeat on both sides. The next step is to install the brackets for holding the rear bumper. Remove the outer nut and the outer white plastic cap. Fit the bracket as shown with the flat surface facing the rear of the cart. Insert the outer white cap as shown, followed by the external washer and nut. We can leave the bracket loose for now. Repeat the same process for the left side. We can now fit the second part of the bracket for holding the rear bumper. These brackets are installed with the long side facing outwards, away from the cart. Using the nuts, bolts and washers supplied, attach each of the two brackets together as shown. We use the fixed hole on the top of the bracket, which is connected to the fixing kit, and the slot on the second bracket. These can all be fully adjusted and tightened once we have the rear plastic bumper in place. Now that the brackets are in place, we can install the rear bumper. Using the supplied plastic washers with countersunk bolts, attach the bumper to the flat plate of the outer bracket. Insert the bolt through from the rear side of the bumper. Install the washer and nut on the opposite side of the flat plate as shown. Repeat this process on the opposite side. The rear bumper should be fitted with the curved center section pointing upwards. Alternatively, check that the orientation of the text inside the bumper is correct. Using a 5mm Allen key and a 13mm socket, we can now tighten the brackets together while also securing the rear bumper to the outer bracket. Repeat this process on both sides of the fixing kit. The slots on the bracket plate will allow for positional adjustments of the bumper. It is important to make sure that the bumper is centrally positioned on the cart before fully tightening all the nuts and bolts. Finally, using a 17mm spanner, tighten the exterior nut on the bumper fixing kit until it is fully secured. Repeat this process on both sides.